팔. 안녕하세요. So we're here in Tobongdong today. Kind of a very random area, but we're north of Seoul. Actually, behind me you have Soraksan, and in front of me we have Tombongseong.
So it's all nature place.
I know, and I love this.
So we just got out of Gangnam.
Yes, we're still in Seoul though, which is pretty amazing. But like, it feels more like a village atmosphere.
I think you would love this place more than Gangnam because
Yeah.
Gangnam is more 사람, cars, 회사, right?
Yes, and here it's like low buildings, nature, streams. I see gardens everywhere. So I'm so excited to just be here today.
그럼 준비됐어?
네,
그럼 한번 이쪽으로 가볼까?
네.
가보자. 다니엘 양상 가져왔네.
Oh, I know. I love this. Oh, this area is so adorable and nice, and they have like gardens everywhere over here. I really want to like have a life like this. It's so nice.
I think you love this area.
Oh, this is really beautiful. I love the hanok in the background too. I didn't expect there to be like hanok. The view is incredible. Wow. I'm so glad I have my sun umbrella today. I feel very Korean wearing this. But it helps a lot keep me cooler. Oh, Totoro.
어디?
저기.
진짜네. 귀엽다.
Yeah, it's cute. We both have matching umbrellas.
Oh, like you.
Oh, 호박.
호박 어디? 진짜네.
Wow. So cool. I like this little town.
오늘 진짜 덥다.
고추 화분?
고추야?
고추. This is really like peaceful, isn't it?
강남이랑 진짜 다르지.
Oh, I know. I just really want like a slower pace of life. It's nice here. Sometimes I just don't want to see people at all. And I just want to like be with plants. Oh, look behind me. Now all the kids are playing in the water. That's so cute. It's a nice area. Like you can have picnics here and relax with your family. It looks really cool. Wow, we've been walking around here for a while now. Complete nature all around. Like the smells so different. It's beautiful. But I think I peek a temple over there through the trees. Should we go check it out?
절 있는지 한번 보자. 있을 것 같아.
Okay, let's go. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's like hidden away in the mountain, in the forest. Wow. Look at this. Black-eyed Susan. Oh, 벌레.
벌.
벌. Friendly.
조심해.
Friendly. They don't want to sting you.
벌 많다.
Wow. Cool. Oh, so much color and greenery. Heaven. 벌 조심. The sign says 벌 조심.
맞잖아. I told you. 벌 조심해야 된다니까.
괜찮아. They don't want to. It's okay. It's really good for the plants and flowers and everything. let's take a rest soon and have some 과자 and some cha. Oh, I feel like I just breathe this air like every day. It feels so good, so clean.
여기 괜찮네.
Yeah, it smells like so fresh and like full of like trees. 공이 맛있다.
어?
공이 맛있다.
공기? 공기가 맛있네. 인헤일, 엑스헤일 해야지. 맛있어?
Yeah, I needed this today. So we're just relaxing by the stream right now.
뭐 먹어?
Sun chips.
썬자. 맛있어?
맛있어. But it's just so nice to like sit here and like relax a bit.
여기 스트림이 있어서
I know.
좋지.
Really good. It's a really nice day today.
So what will we do right now? Just
relax.
relax?
쉬워요.
쉬워? 게임?
게임? 무슨 게임?
무슨 게임? I don't know. 미국 게임 없어? 미국 게임?
Truth or dare?
What is it?
You don't know? You say you choose either truth or dare. Truth, you ask a question, or dare, you have to like do something that like jump in the water. Or
오케이 하자 그럼. Jump in the water.
I didn't choose dare.
I don't know this game. Let's just relax.
Okay, let's relax. I brought my slippers. We can go in the water.
Are you gonna swim? Like real swim?
No.
Or just feet?
Just feet.
이제 가보자 그럼.
Alright. Looks 시원해. Oh, it's cold.
시원해?
Yeah, 시원해. Wow. Oh, there's like little things down there. Like tablets? Oh. Wow. Crazy. Oh, it's nice. Feels good though. 아, 쌀 많다.
쌀 진짜 많다.
Yeah.
벼야 벼.
Pure. Wow. That's so cool. It's such a like a serene place, don't you think?
다니엘 이거 해봤어? Have you ever done this?
No, but I
나
want to.
해봤어 나.
Really?
어.
어려웠어?
아니 어려운 건 아닌데 kind of like gross. How do I say? Like my feet get like
더러워요?
dirty. Yeah.
Maybe 재밌어. I think.
재밌어?
I think so.
해볼까 그럼?
Yeah, 하고 싶어.
하고 싶어?
Yeah. But 어떻게? How? I think 개구리 있어.
어디?
This I think. Wow. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, 펄집.
저기 벌집이야?
펄집.
You sure?
I think so.
I don't know.
Maybe. Oh, it's so good here. Oh, we're still in Seoul. Let's just move here.
What about our job?
But we're still in Seoul. We can take 지하철. 지하철로 서울에 가요.
지하철로 강남까지
네.
1시간. 더 걸릴걸?
괜찮아요.
괜찮아?
네.
그럼 다니엘 you live here.
아,
I want to live in Gangnam because close to my office.
어떡하지?
One day, let's move here. Not
well,
here, like
maybe
your favorite 남해.
남해. 맞아요. 남해. That's our future goal. 여기 쳤다. So today we just got out of Seoul and to this like really beautiful nature area I mean, actually, we're in Seoul. I shouldn't say out of Seoul. And it's beautiful here. I had no idea this was here. So thanks for taking me today.
Did you enjoy the nature?
Definitely. It's a nice, like, healing day trip for us.
Mountain, temple, stream,
Yeah. for
everything,
sure.
yeah, everything that you like.
I know. You know me so well. Yeah, thank you. And I wish we could spend more time. But
But
it's nice.
it's getting dark, so
Yeah, we've been here a while, so I think this is enough. 집에 가자.
집에 가자.
여기 쌀 맛있어요.
맛있어.
진짜 맛있어요.
진짜 맛있어.
먹을래?
얼마? 싸게.
싸다. 싸지만
어.
맛있어요.
싸지만 맛있어요.
네.
That's perfect. 전화하려고 해야지. What's your number? Call me.
000A 08 8888